Fiber is a complex carbohydrate found in plant-based foods that helps your body function more efficiently. Although it has numerous health benefits, many seniors still fall short of the recommended amount. Whether it's due to appetite changes, processed foods, or limited options, getting enough fiber can be a challenge. Did you know older adults need more fiber because aging affects digestion, metabolism, and overall health? For men over 50, the daily recommendation is 30 to 38 grams, while women should aim for 21 to 25 grams. To help you meet those goals, we've created simple, satisfying recipes you'll actually want to eat. Click the link in the YouTube description to explore options for every meal of the day. For breakfast, start with our overnight oats with berries and chia seeds, offering 10 to 12 grams of fiber per serving. This no-cook option is ready when you wake up and packed with nutrients. You can also try our veggie and bean breakfast wrap, which combines fiber-rich beans and vegetables with protein for a savory, filling meal. Looking for a hearty lunch? Our lentil soup gives you 12 to 14 grams of fiber in a warm, comforting bowl. Lentils are quick to cook, rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber, and full of flavor. Another great choice is our Mediterranean chickpea salad, a refreshing make-ahead option that's loaded with fiber, color, and crunch. Dinner is a perfect time to add even more fiber without sacrificing taste. Try our baked fish with bean and vegetable medley, a light but balanced dish that supports both heart and digestive health. You can also go with our whole grain pasta with lentil sauce for a satisfying, fiber-packed twist on a comfort food favorite. When hunger strikes between meals, grab one of our smart snack ideas. Homemade trail mix with nuts and dried fruits provides 5 to 7 grams of fiber and travels well. If you prefer something fresh, pair vegetable sticks with hummus for a crunchy, gut-friendly snack. Or try whole grain crackers with mashed avocado for something creamy, flavorful, and filling. Want to try these fiber-rich recipes designed specifically for seniors? Click the link in the YouTube description to get detailed instructions for each one. As you focus on improving your nutrition, don't forget your healthcare. Fiber can help manage cholesterol, blood sugar, and digestion, which are all common concerns as you get older. The right Medicare plan can help you stay on track without financial stress. For questions about Medicare coverage, please speak with a Senior Healthcare Solutions Medicare expert today at 866-633-4427. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.